Today we are going to talk about return on marketing investment or marketing ROI. We will learn how to calculate it and what metrics to use to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. This is a very important metric that allows you to understand whether your marketing campaign is earning your company money or losing money. You might be surprised, but plenty of marketers never calculate the effectiveness of campaigns and get confused when business owners or executives ask them to present measurable results. So, how to calculate marketing ROI? Here is the formula to remember, where number of leads is the quantity of visitors who were led by your own campaign, multiplied by lead to customer rate. That is that shows how many leads turned into real customers, multiplied by deal size, which is the average number of closed deals over a period of time. Subtract marketing expenses, which includes all costs associated with a given marketing campaign, divided by marketing expenses. For any sort of subscription-based model, you can calculate your customer acquisition costs. Customer acquisition costs equal marketing costs divided by number of your customers. This simple calculation can show you how a given marketing campaign is working and how the entire business is scaling. Once you have a lifetime value, which refers to how much revenue a customer is estimated to deliver, and customer acquisition cost, you can calculate ROI in this way. Lifetime value subtract customer acquisition cost divided by customer acquisition costs. Businesses can make a lot of assumptions about how well marketing campaigns perform, but without ROI data to back it up, these assumptions are just guesswork. To understand clearly how well your campaigns are performing, pull out your Excel spreadsheet and marketing ROI calculator and follow this guide. Hope you are enjoying studying at Klik Digital Academy. We have a lot of useful content to share. Like and subscribe to our channel not to miss out the next lesson.